The free info in this question is very powerful. It's very significant because it gives me the percent interest. And so using that, if you give me any dollar value in any of the years, I can infer, if I had a calculator or an Excel spreadsheet, I could infer exactly what every other dollar value was in every other year. I just need to be given $1 amount and be told which year that dollar amount came from. And then plugging into an Excel spreadsheet with that 4% interest, I can figure out all the other numbers in all the other years, and therefore each statement is sufficient on its own, and the correct answer is D. Now, just in case you were curious, here's what it would look like. If I want to go backwards in time, I would divide the dollar amount by 1.04 for each year that I'm going back in time. And if I want to go forward in time, I would multiply the dollar amount that I was given by 1.04 over and over again each year that I'm going forward in time. So as long as I have a calculator or an Excel spreadsheet, I can figure out the number for every year going backwards or forwards, and I think that's really the conceptual understanding that this question was designed to test. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.